I love to live so close to the nature. I love to hear the birds singing, and I love to feel the wind if the house is a little bit shaking, and I love to hear the rain on the roof. So I feel I'm so close to nature. It's like I am that nature.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Alternative House channel. Today we are in Germany and visiting Miriam. After living 4 years in a van traveling around Europe, she settled down in this tiny house in northern Germany, and today she's gonna give us a tour. Let's have a look.
Hi, my name is Miriam and I live here in this very pretty oasis. And I will show you a little bit. Here we try to have some cucumbers and salad and something like that. And here's a very nice place to sit with a small fireplace, and you can see the sauna area.
That's very nice.
Over there is a big fireplace.
Yeah.
And you can see in the background our little animal family. And this is the main house where my friend Katrin lives. And she invited me to come to this beautiful place because I was traveling around 4 years through Europe in this car over there, in this van. He is really dangerous.
Okay.
Yeah, and he's biting. Yes. It's a male goose. This is a female one. This is a male duck. And over there you can see 4 chicken.
How big is this tiny house?
9 meters length and 2.5 meters width.
Yeah.
Yes. And in the height, maybe 3 meters. I'm not really sure. Welcome inside. This is my big kitchen. Before I had a small kitchen, so I'm so happy to have this one. Here's a fridge. You can see for my small things inside. And my spices and coffee makers.
This house was built already here when you came here.
Yes. The former husband from Katrin built this.
That's nice.
Yes, and they were separated, and she made it her own. It was a Werkstatt.
Workshop.
Yes. Yeah. I have running cold water, but for me it's I'm very happy for having that. And I have a backoven.
Yeah.
Oven.
An
oven. I love that because in my van I haven't one. For me, it's a very luxury to have that. Yes. Yeah.
And some sitting area in the kitchen.
Yes. You can sit here on the bank or on the ball. I love to sit here. It's good for the back.
Yeah, right. Good for balancing.
Yes, it is. And here's my my work area. I sit here and with my notice book and write on.
So you work in art, or what do you do?
You don't know. Yes, I work as an artist, and I do a lot of spiritual work online with people. So I do soul journeys. I don't know if the word is the right word, but I work with them online via Zoom to teach them and to to guide them to go inside her soul to connect themselves with their soul. Before I bought my van, I had a praxis in my house. So, and then I decided I want to go travel and see the world around me, and I decided to do my work online. So
And it was before COVID.
it was before COVID, yes.
I think after COVID it got easier, no? Or is the same?
Yes, yeah, it's a little bit easier because people are more familiar with Zoom or with the internet work. So yeah.
And how did you decide to go to do van life?
I'm a woman with a lot of inspirations, and if inspirations come to me, then I decided, okay, I will follow that. So the inspiration came, hey, buy a van and travel around. And so I did.
Okay.
And a few weeks later, I bought Berta. She was very ugly. She was red with a lot of rust, and it was not really good to see the van. So I decided to paint Berta and to make a little wooden space inside. It's my wooden home inside the van. It was red, then it was turquoise, and now it's
okay.
blue.
It changed twice color, right?
Yes, yes. I love to paint. Here is my Instagram and
Instagram handle it. And here you lived for 4 years.
Yes,
With your
it
dog.
looks a little bit different.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm so small, so I can lay down.
Yeah. Wide.
Yes, yes. And here it's a little bit too small for me, but here I can stand.
Yeah.
Because I'm very small.
Yeah. And I like that vintage cupboard.
Yes, yeah, I like it too. And now I have
Diesel heater.
a diesel heater. Yes, this is a place for my dog. Here's also an old commode.
Yeah. And you lived here for 4 years, and that's all what you need.
Yes, yeah, but yeah, I live more outside than inside.
Yeah.
So for me it was okay. And sure, I had a toilet and a water tank and something like that here. Yes.
So the tiny house is a luxury now.
Yes, it is.
And what is behind the curtain?
Yeah, behind the curtain is my toilet. So it's just a normal porta potty.
Yeah.
And I have the food for the dog and some stuff. It's,
Bathroom and a storage.
Yes, and I go shower in the main house. Here is storage for some things.
Yeah, pantry.
Yeah, and here water for the dog. And here you can see my bed.
Yeah,
Over there.
It's very high.
It's very high, but I'm very happy to have the ladder.
Ladder, yeah.
So for me it's okay, but sometimes it's too warm for me. So then I decided to to sleep on the ground. And here you can see my
Wardrobe.
wardrobe. Yes, yes. This is my living room. I think it's a very huge space for me because in my van I had a small room, and now I feel so happy for this huge place, so I can do my gymnastics and my workout here, and I can paint here on the ground. Sometimes I put this one over there, and I can stand there and paint. I finished this one just a few days before, and now I painted the turtle one.
Yeah, I love it. Looks
Yeah,
very nice.
I love it too. Maybe outside I will paint the universe,
Yeah,
the cosmos.
it's very, very beautiful.
Yeah,
The space.
the space,
Yeah.
the space. I'm obsessed with painting space
Yeah.
and painting spirit animals and mandalas and sacred geometry. I love that.
Yeah.
Here you can see the wolf picture. And for me, yeah, my dog is, I see my dog inside this picture.
Okay.
But this is a wolf
Yeah.
and he is a dog. This is one of my fine art prints.
Ah, they're
So-
small. Okay. Yeah.
No, from this one until this is the biggest one I can print. It's DIN A3.
Yes, I guess it gets very quick warm inside.
Yes, I think the stove is a little bit too big for the small house here. So the front terrace is sometimes it is too hot for me. So I decided to use this one
Yeah.
in the evening, in the afternoon and in the evening. Come with me outside to my terrace.
Oh, it's very nice. A lot of greenery.
Yeah, yes. I loved feeding the birds and watch them, film them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of bird stations,
Bird houses.
bird houses,
Yeah.
yes, and a small area with my Mediterranean spices.
Oh, yeah.
It's just a small one. Yeah, and I would love to sit more here outside.
Yeah. And I like how the cladding is made. It's like, it makes the
Yes,
rustic vibe. To
yeah,
stuff.
yeah. I love it too. Yes, it was a very good idea. But the insects love to fly in
Yeah.
in the
To crawl
space.
under the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes we have hornissen.
Oh,
You know what I mean? Hornets.
Hornesses, yeah.
Yes, yeah. And yeah, sometimes she comes inside and
Oh, no.
well, visiting me.
that can be painful.
Yeah, I'm not afraid of hornets.
Okay.
No, I think she will not hurt me. So it's okay, but she's very loud.
Don't you miss van life? Like to go back to van life, to travel? Or you're now good, settled down and.
Sometimes I miss the van life. I'm honest. I would love to go to the northern part of Norwegian.
Norway.
Norway, yes, sorry, to Norway in winter. I would love to travel through Norway in winter, but not with my old van. I would love to have a Mercedes Sprinter Allrad.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Yes, to do that. Maybe next year or something like that. My dog is tired of driving through the world. So I decided to stay here. Now it's very good to do that, but in future maybe I will travel around.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I love to have a base. I love to have a base where I can come back.
Yeah, that's important.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thanks for showing around.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
All right, thanks for watching. Miriam's social media I will leave in the description below, and see you the next one. Cheers.
Bye bye. See you.
To fall into my arms, a place I call my home.
I think you can see this in my art, in my artwork. So I feel very connected to the nature, and I can't think about living in a house built with stones, or in a house they built over the.
It's concrete.
So it's
Yeah.
no. I love to.
It doesn't breathe. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. This house is alive.
Right.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.